me.
Why should we sit down and not bring that person to book?
When I was here, so terminal ailment, but your terminal ailment,
this country is not worth living. In fact, living for left alone to talk about dying for. If it's true, say, obit me nipa or ye living being, on your ghost to say, on him how my husband died, that he was poisoned.
However, Yabama Kwaba, Yasa share next to you on trending stories on social media, Nana Bema TV on YouTube, but more than someone turning on notification bell, non subscribe ya, Wakachi. Yes, also subscribe, no turning on. Now, you know, we'll leave your comment under the comment section. We will share with the rest of the world. Now, trending stories are echo or for Ajit Ta our media no so Captain Smart and the late John Kuma wife, Mrs. Lillian Kuma, Edia Boyni, our media no so. Tikakra.
You pay me or share wa apostle no. Wahagana. When I was here, so terminal ailment, but your terminal ailment, no. Terminal joke when I was hired and I said, "You na man in here." What's that? What I was saying, someone I don't know.
When put ye, Kitwabi, and a wati. And Chaye, and a gunner in our to our business. Mrasha Bedweni, Edema Justin Persuaso. Nafis was a deputy finance minister, Edema Ghana. A John Kuma, doctor, lawyer. A break a bit to just say, opening at one and anum, I want instead of what friend into ma, I want it tinty. And no come be bebre, media no so. Captain Smart, the kind would you be babonti tray, say, ya poison your for me and say, be MPP among you kunu. Obo wood to meeting. You know, Acadia, one more dino. Now, John Kuma will buy ye and a captain, the other bosses and some more kind, you know. Again, no credit. So, real fear, take a credit.
John Kuma, any penny for be SCM planning and said John Kuma, baby, all pre-colo, one shot. John Kuma bet me a fraco do level be a obedient to me stopping on. Say me ye, for the first time I want to me. Never such a man to be said, and it's a Wendibia. At the time, I want did John Kuma or a doctor. A cheat. Woman said, wound to me. I reacted to that food poisoning. No, my dream said, John Kuma, you okay?
Yes, say in the call ye. Now, and something in our banner, the late John Kuma wife, your friend Mrs. Lillian Kuma, why apostle? Well, not that Safwa. Your friend is a disciple of Christ Ministry Worldwide. Disciple of Christ Ministry Worldwide. Why apostle? And it's of about one and done. Na Ukrainian walk out break. In himself, Ukrainian dear Casem Sisea, a ya now to one on Areka. Now wait, dear, and now no Akasa, a Chinano Akasa, and Neno Akasa, what the above post to say. Asama Captain Smart, eke, a yerudu rather sem, and yano cre, Nanikruno, a breaker crane, and a wayare. Nay, dear Captain Smart, eka, say, ubina poison on them. Wakika be their check Captain Smart, Smart swabba, as I betrow be their manner. Yanko full video.
If indeed, say, obi a poison, a brana or ye juma. Ama omaino and in a political party. Why should we sit down and not bring that person to book? Now, just say, then this country is not worth living. In fact, living for left alone to talk about dying for. If it's true, say, obit me nipa or ye living being, on your ghost to say, on him how my husband died, that he was poisoned. And that person is still moving around for the past 3 weeks. Just say, I am a jana, I am a rehona, meaning how I make us asem no say emre bi wo asas e krowe mu a e kasampa. I think this is the time, and I'm telling the laws of the land and even the leadership of the land that they should bring that, I mean, that wicked man, that, I don't know, the Captain Smart is all chireno.
John Kuma, he was intentionally poisoned, and he's aware. And the people who don't want to say, John Kuma, John Buedu, so our presidential ambition. And John Kuma was poisoned, he's aware. I can tell you the date and time John Kuma called India. Not quite there India. Wabre brutal.
Sese na koya ye dia. Wa wo hwe ye no so. Wadwenkyere anything. Die okunani kan ne wom. Ana de smart kan ne wom. Sese kura de na yenye. Kyerɛ wadwen e wo comment section no. Na afi no so yehu wadwenkyere. Na turn on notification bell. Ye di video foforo se ba beto ha. Na wanya bi ahwe. Na wanya bi so na watie. Ohene ni ye. Makra.